Thanks to all the living beings living in the world, and thanks to all the human beings living in the midst of all other lives. Please listen to this video fully. Your soul will scream with joy. The Almighty has created me to give divine treatment to you with the blessings of the ancient Siddhas and saints. This is Shiva Kural from Irai Maruthuvam.
இறைவன் இருக்கின்றானா மனிதன் கேட்கிறான்.
Great food donation. After eating the tasty food, I ask everyone, was it good? Yes sir, very happy sir. Is anyone hungry now? If asked so, what will be our reply? We won't feel hungry. We are not hungry, we will say. Does it mean we will have no hunger at all? At present, we are not hungry. Same way, now some people will feel that God is there. Now some people will feel that God is not there. A man in his lifetime, from birth till death, would have believed that God is there and would have also believed that God is not there. You would have seen many times people will say, I used to go to temple, there was a loss in the family, my brother died. There is no God. In everyone's feelings, God will be there, he may not be there also. That's the feeling, he will not be there always. It's not that he will not be there too. What the Karma Yogi Swami Vivekananda, who spread the dharma of spirituality all over the world, had said, do you know, instead of going to temples and wasting time, he said to the Indian youth, O youth of India, instead of wasting time in temples, spend your time in football grounds. India needs talented and strong players. What he said is true, isn't it? Football match is going on, but to enter the football match, that is just to enter, it will take 20 to 25 years. And then we have to win. He had said what was needed at that moment and at that stage. Keeping this in mind, we should not come to the conclusion that he himself has said this and it is final. That's why we have told you earlier, in every case, in which situation what's necessary keeps changing. So life will be in a stage where something is needed and also where it's not needed. From the state of being there, it will go to the state of not being there. From the state of not being there, it will come to the state of being there. Each and every solution has to come from you. Only if it comes from you, it can be a solution. Your eyes see for you, your mouth speaks for you, your leg walks for you, your hand works for you. The answer for your question has to come from you. Only then it's your answer. Otherwise, it's other experience, others' wisdom. How can you feel it? If you ask what is science, to make others know what you know is science. What you know, you can make others know. That is science. Spiritual wisdom is a feeling. What one feels, one cannot make others to feel. To make others feel it, they have to come to the same state. That's why we have said spirituality's disciple is science. If you see from one angle, they travel in different levels. Generally, there is an information that it is only 100 years since science was born. It's a crawling baby. Before millions of years man was born. Was science not there? This means whatever science he knows, he is saying, you must eat this food is healthy, this food is poison. Man has found this from the time of his birth. Is that not science? Is that not knowledge? Agriculture itself is a great science, isn't it? The supreme power of the universe has given the same to everyone. The expression of nature is the same for everyone. To take it or not is in your experience. You are fully responsible. If the answer for this question comes from you, only then it has got more than lifespan. Only that can be correct. Out of the 9 philosophies, use the philosophy of I. In that philosophy of I, this question has to be asked. You have still not come to the philosophy of I. After that, there are 8 more philosophies, 9 holes are there. How much of journey is there? You will feel it. You will realize. If you are already in the understanding, travel into divine realization. How much we have to travel? Our lifespan is very short. If we are 40 years old or 35 to 40, more than 60 years is a bonus, which means almost 30 more years are there. If there has to be realization, you have to understand this. That's why Irai Maruthuvam keeps repeating, we are our own medicine. Decisions have to come from you. For every question, the answer is within you. If there is a search within everyone, you will get it. Whatever answer you get, that will be the answer for you. I am going to tell you a story about a butterfly. Please don't skip, thinking that you already know the story. This story will travel in a different plane. Please listen to this fully. In a confused mental state, a man was walking, seeing the sky. At that time, a small boy comes running and says, Sir, please stop. I have got a butterfly in my hands, which is alive. Is it alive now or not? Can you say? He asked. The man know about the boy. The boy was bit of a rogue, so he thinks if he says it's alive, the boy will kill the butterfly and show that it is dead. If he says that it is dead, he will open his palm and let the butterfly free. Thinking so, he says that whether the butterfly is alive or dead is in the boy's hands. The boy opens his hand and shows there is nothing there. Oh, you are naughty boy. There is nothing. You said the butterfly was there. The boy says, no, the butterfly is not there. So is not there? The man asks. The boy replies, no. So there is no butterfly at all. The boy says, in my hands butterfly is not there. But how can you say that there is no butterfly at all, sir? The man feels that he got an answer and hugs him. He hugs him and sees tears of joy. The boy does not understand anything, but the man understood because he came in a confusion as to whether God was there or not. So everyone has this confusion. Everyone has umpty number of reasons for saying that God is there. They will also be having many reasons for saying that God is not there. If whatever we wish happens, there is God. If what we wish does not happen, God is not there. So, when the boy opens his hands saying that the butterfly is there, but when actually is not there, there is no butterfly at all. The man thinks, but the boy says the butterfly is not there within him now, but butterfly is there. At the time, man feels that he has got the answer. True, your question is there in your hands. For each and everyone, it's different. We would have said in the first video, just as the lines in the palm are different for 730 crores of people, eyes are different. Similarly, the answer for the question is also different for everyone. Yes, isn't it? When you get the answer for the question, God is there or not, what will be your next question? Which God is the best? Who is God? You will get such question, isn't it? People who believe in one religion do not accept that God is there in another religion. People who believe in another religion do not accept that God is there in this religion. On the whole, they too say that it is not there. There is an old man in a city, a nice man, a person who has respect in the society, but concerned that he says that God is not there. A Christian father, a man from Islam and a Hindu, all the three go to him and say, Sir, you do good social service. You are a good man. But please do not say that God is not there. Listening to this, the old man asks the Christian father, is Shiva there? Are Hindu gods there? Oh, worshipping Shiva. No, it's not there. Such gods do not exist. Only Jesus. Jesus is very, very good, he says. The Hindu says, oh, Jesus is our disciple. There were 2 disciples from Himalayas. One is Nabihal Nayagam and the other is Jesus. He came here only. They have understood it wrongly. The sky and earth were not created by him. We created them before that. Was man not there before that? In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has said that he has created them. The old man asks the man from Islam. He says, no, not at all. These 2 believe in idol worship. Ours is formless. There is no form. Allah is the only God. The old man says, individually you have said that God is not there. I have said that totally that God is not there. What's the problem? He asks. Not expecting this, the three men look at each other and are ready to leave. Seeing this, the old man asks, please will you listen to me? And closes his eyes and breathing heavily says, just because fish is not there, it does not mean that sea will not be there. For the reason the tree is not there, it does not mean that soil will not be there. If man and religion are not there, it does not mean that the earth will not be there. Before millions of years, all the religions that you mention now were not there. After millions of years, we do not know if the religions you are mentioning now will be there. It will keep changing. New religions will keep coming. So, can I give a solution? Everything is God, all are relatives. Yes, everything is God, all are relatives. If the three of you accept this now, I will also agree that God is there. Saying this, he opens his eyes slowly. The three men were going very far away. People of this world, as the old man's voice, what is asked is the answer to the question whether God is there or not. We expect from you. Are you going to stand by the old man's words that everything is God, all are relatives? Or are you going to go very far away just like the three men who went very far away? You have to decide that with this. I say that the old man's name is Supreme Power of the Universe. I say that the old man's name is Supreme Power of the Universe. And I take leave of you. This is Shiva Kural from Irai Maruthuvam.